Hey gamers! Battlefield 6 just dropped a jaw-dropping trailer teasing epic warfare and a multiplayer reveal coming July 31st. Is this the shooter of 2025? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into Battlefield 6's big reveal. EA unleashed the Battlefield 6 trailer showcasing urban combat, destructible environments, and a gripping single-player campaign. With 64-player maps and classic classes returning, it's set to launch in October. Want the full scoop? Keep watching. The 2-minute trailer introduces Pax Armada, a rogue private military group backed by ex-NATO states, sparking global conflict. This sets the stage for both the single-player campaign, back after skipping Battlefield 2042, and multiplayer chaos. Expect tanks, jets, and squad-based action with the series' signature destructible walls and buildings. On July 31st, Battlefield Studios, 4 EA teams will host a live event unveiling Battlefield 6's multiplayer. Promising the most ambitious title yet, it'll showcase massive 64-player maps, new and returning modes, and classic classes. EA's calling it an explosive reveal, so expect jaw-dropping gameplay moments. Battlefield 6 brings back fan-favorite features like 64-player battles and destructible environments, blending visceral combat with player freedom. After 2042's missteps, this could be the series' big comeback. Wishlist it now on Xbox, PlayStation, Steam, or Epic Games Store. Is this the ultimate military shooter? Mark your calendars for the July 31st multiplayer reveal and get ready for Battlefield 6's October launch. Whether you're hyped for the campaign or multiplayer chaos, this game's a must-watch. What's got you excited? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Battlefield 6's epic reveal. Are you stoked for 64-player maps or in that intense campaign? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.